Hey, it's Chris from the Hagon Factory. Got some exciting news. So this week we've clocked over 60,000 views and 200 subscribers. So this year we're going to really push forward for the Hagon Factory and really make this thing work. So what we would like to do is bring someone else on board. So a few sponsors. So if you think you've got a business or you know someone who's got a business that might be interested, get in touch. I've got a few things planned for the year. We can have a talk about it, and any suggestions would be fantastic. And I'd like to thank everybody who's made the effort to subscribe and view and like and all that sort of stuff. We really appreciate it. It's been a big journey so far, but 60,000 views is fantastic. Let's keep DirtTrack alive in Australia. Support the Hagon Factory. Come on board, be a sponsor. We can work for you. We can advertise your business, and we'll have a great time. So get on board, the Hagon Factory. Thanks.